Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how October 2020 will be for Aries or Mesh Rashi natives. Firstly, the planetary positions. They are your Rashi Lord, that is Mars, who is retrograde, will be in the first, Rahu in the second, Venus in the fifth, Sun in the sixth, Mercury in the seventh, Ketu in the eighth, Jupiter in the ninth, and finally Saturn will be in your 10th house. So overall, if I have to talk about the positive planets, they will be Sun, Venus and Jupiter. Rest all are not in good positions, are unfavorable positions. With the benefics, that is Venus and Jupiter in good positions this month, and along with that Sun is also in a positive position for you in this month, you will have plenty of positive energy and your confidence and courage is going to be high. However, the position of Mars, who is situated in your Rashi and also retrograde, may cause a little issue in the sense that you may tend to become hasty in taking some decisions, and because of which you may suffer. So please avoid haste. Okay. In spite of all these issues, with the benefics and with the Sun being in the good position, you will be able to have good income in this month. However, when you want to spend something, be very cautious about it. Family atmosphere more or less will be very jovial or cordial, you can say. However, there could be one or two unpleasant moments, and those will be because of your speech or temper going a little high or little low. So please watch out for your speech and also your temper during this month to make it a better one. Now let's look at the health aspect. Stomach pain, mental agony, gastritis, there could be some injury or minor accident, so due to which you may get wounded. Some itching or burning sensation in your groin area is indicated. Pay attention to the food intake. Untimely food intake may cause some gastric troubles, or even if you're careless, it could also lead to some food poisoning. So when you're eating out, please be very cautious. However, Sun is in a very good position, so Sun will help you to recover well in this month. Coming to the career and business aspect, that is people who are working and for people who are in business. First, for working people, the word of caution is keep your temper and your speech in check. Otherwise, it could lead to some unpleasant moments at the work fronts. There could be some difficult positions because of your temper or your speech. However, you will have good positivity and good energy to finish any given tasks in this month. What you need to do is you need to pay attention to the minute details of any task and try to accomplish it in a time. If you are careless, this could lead to some sort of humiliation or loss of face. So take care about it, be committed and keep your speech and anger in control. For businessmen, hold your nerve and be patient with your business partners and your key customers. Specifically when you are dealing with them, there is a possibility of some misunderstanding cropping up. So you just maintain a good, or you can say calm approach. So that will help you to tide through this month. You will have good energy, okay, and with your good energy and with your intelligence, you will be able to take the right decisions in this month. If there are any big plans that you want to execute, this is a good month for you to take those plans into action. Okay, this is for the businessmen. Coming to the students, if I have to talk about the students, their concentration and grasp is likely to be higher this month or better this month. Only one thing that I would like to say is don't be lazy, and if you are kind of participating in any competition, you can expect to be getting that particular place or position which you desire for. So for students, it's a good month. Now coming to the wealth or gains for this month, with the blessings of Jupiter and Venus, you will be able to make good gains this month. spending on vehicles, that is some convenience you may buy. You may buy some jewelry, or you may spend on some luxurious items. Some pending amount, maybe you would have loaned it to someone, or you would have invested it somewhere and you might have forgotten. That kind of money can suddenly return, so that's one good thing for you. However, when you want to spend something, plan well and then spend, otherwise you may incur some losses. Carelessness is a strict no for this month, so be very careful when you want to spend on your whatever it could be luxury, or it could be your basic spending. If you are into speculation, this month indicates good gains for you. However, caution is advised. Coming to the family front, family atmosphere more or less will be cordial or jovial in this month. Children will bring in that happiness or smile on your face. One or two occasions where there could be some displeasure with your elders. Spouse's health may need some attention, so pay attention there. Mainly what I would like to advise is your speech and temper, keeping them in check will be the key for you to be happy in the family front in this month. So it all depends on you. But however, good things are indicated in the family front. So overall, it looks nice. Let's talk about some remedies which you can take up and then make this month a better one. Recite or listen to Hanuman Chalisa every day, because Saturn is in your Karma Sthana, so you can enhance that. Then if you can, you should, actually it's a must, because Mars is in a difficult position for you today in this month precisely. So what you can do is you can recite or listen to Subramanya Ashtakam every Tuesday. If you can do that, it will bring in some stability and peace in your action. And also alternatively, you can pray to Lord Narasimha. He will also bring in that courage and will help you in taking the right decisions. If you want to fast, please fast on a Tuesday. That is going to help you immensely. Now, if you are looking at donating some articles, you can donate articles related to Mars, that is red clothes. You can donate the fennel seeds, masoor dal, on a Tuesday. So please do these remedies and make this month a better one. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.